Hello guys, this is the second part of my series on how to make a boss fight. So in part 1 we discussed how you could make your very own health bar. As you can see, if we press this button, the health goes down. So now we're going to actually start utilizing our capabilities. So today I will be utilizing the conveyor belt, along with some of these basic parts. What I want to do today is make a platform that can split in half and also rotate. So to do that, first of all, you want your part. I mean, everyone would need to do that if you want to make a boss fight. So yeah, just go on ahead, make your part, and then we'll just discuss. So if you want to do what I'm doing with my current boss on my main account, instead, you need to actually copy and paste it like this instead of doing a whole one. Because this, if you want to cut them in half, you'll just do that, but we will need to activate that using these buttons. So this is our health bar right here, so we don't need to mess with that right now. Here's our real health bar. So let me go over here, and first of all, my first attack I'm probably going to do is probably actually just turn the platform 180 degrees. So what we're going to do, get a advanced part, conveyor belt. It's actually really confusing to do this. Like, I've never done this before, but hopefully how I think you do it, hopefully it'll work. So first of all, you need to place something like this, basically like our health bar over there. Yeah, our health bar. So just do this, yeah, copy and paste. Yep, like that. Copy and paste this, and then do this, and do this. What I also recommend you do is, if you're making your health bar, I would recommend you put it up here, this location, because you'd have to move every single frame of the health bar from down here all the way to up here. Okay, so now that we have that, now what we can do is add our button. First of all, what we want to do, if you want to do a rotating platform 180 degrees, turn off can collide off, behavior, select invisible, time, just set to how long you want the rotation to last. So I'll do like 10 seconds. So yeah. So basically 10 seconds, make it so, yeah, invisible, and make it so it's editing this. Confirm. The next step, what you want to do is copy and paste it, and then with these settings, rotate 45, you can turn it. Now copy and paste this button again, but select in this new version, do activate parts, well, since we're splitting up into, this is actually hard, since we're splitting it up into 10 seconds, this, we'll probably just show it for about what? Let's just show it for let's see, does this work? Yep, 2.5. So show it for 2.5 seconds. Confirm. Yeah. And then after that, make this invisible. Yeah, after you do that, you have to make this invisible. I don't care about advanced tools. And also make it so it can't collide with it. Just make it so you can't collide with it. There. Wait, let me just see. So here's our 2 timers. Let me just roll our 2 buttons. Let's just check them. Count enabled, false. Don't put the count enabled. They're bad. It'll display a timer, which I don't like. So let's just quickly play that and see if it works. Oh yeah, we can't play it because we need a push block. Just let me see. Hold on, let me see. Is it push block enabled? Is it push block enabled? Nope. You have to do that as well. Bro, I've missed out on a lot of steps. Sorry, guys. Anyway, basically, to save, to also save, you having to wait, don't just do it for... Wait, hold on. Why the heck? Why? Why is this getting activated as well? We don't care about that. Yeah, we don't care about them. With this, also create another wall, because you'll see what I'm about to do now. And then basically just also put this, connect this, to also this. There, should look like that. And now, if we add a push block, basically, this should... No! I have to kill myself real quick. Then go back. Yeah. Now, basically, you can't... Hold on. Yeah, look. You can't see or feel it. But whenever there's a push block in here... Oh, yeah, also, make this can't collide 1. Yeah, that's what you should do as well. Okay, so our next step is to make another one. It's basically just the same process, I think, again. So basically what you need to do is select these, copy, and then rotate like this. It's basically kind of like an animation, really. I know you could do it with like move blocks, blah 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 blah, but this is just how you do it with like scripts and stuff, like these buttons. Okay, so now what we want to do is with our thingy, we can copy and paste it right here, and then wait, let me see which one I've selected. Okay, yeah, this one. You also need this one. So on this one, it makes the previous one invisible. Bro, why? Basically, whenever you're trying to no-clip, for some reason the game decides to bug out and then just freeze your character in mid-place. Which I don't like. Why does it do that? Anyway. Bro! Oh my god! This is another bug! Seriously, this game is so bugged. Literally, I can't move. I can't move the menu. I'm gonna have to just, I'll be right back. I'll just go back to, I'll go into the private server. Okay, I'm back and I'm in the private server. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. So now we're just gonna go over here, Obby, where we left off. Basically, on this one, what you need to do is go to the behavior. It would be much easier if you don't do what I do. Basically just keep these visible, but I just turn them invisible because I don't really care. I can really just see them very well. So basically what you want to do now is put these at the same height. Edit. And put this right there and go right there. Confirm. Now what you want to do is go back to this button right here. Edit. And then just did this. Yeah. And also make sure you have another part right here. Put that right there. And connect it to this. Yeah. Straightforward. Okay. Then you can just squish them in here. Then you can make these. If you want, you can actually just keep these visible, like I'm about to do. Okay. So now what we want to do is select this and this. Just copy and paste. Hold on, is this the 10 one? Yeah, it is. You just need this also. Copy. This, we don't need this one actually right now. All we need is just this one. Okay. Wait, hold on for a second. I think you should also, the ones except for the first, hold on, let me move this. So, this middle part is, invisible for 10 seconds. What I think you should do, actually, is just make it so that the other ones are, oh wait, is this visible? No, invisible. Yeah, just make it so they are invisible forever. Yeah, just make it so they're invisible forever. Because if you don't do it, at the end, all of them would show, and all it would look like is just a crappy star. No, please! Oh my god, this game is so bugged. This game is so bugged. Why is this the most bugged game of the entire century? Oh. Well, anyway, the only last thing I'm probably gonna do is just add a push block to try and test it out. So what I should do is I should just basically make these invisible. Keep in mind, if this fails, I'm not uploading the video. Okay, let's just test it. Push block, come on, hurry up. And also, I've just made this because I was bored. Anyway, let's just test it out. No. It kind of works. Let me just do that again. Yeah, it's you can see the hang of it actually. Okay, so that's this part.